Today's session, we're going to look at how to optimize search campaigns inside the Google Ads account. Search optimization is going to be a case, guys, wherein we need to go ahead and make changes in the campaigns to improve its performance. So in search optimizations, there are various things which we can look at which will help to improve the account's performance. So in this campaigns, what you can do is you can start working on keywords and we can try to improve the keywords which we have in the account. We can also make use of negative keywords to add them so that it helps to improve the account's performance. Also, with respect to keywords, guys, we can work on the match types, which would really help to improve the performance. We will see that as well in the practical. And then we can also improve the ads, headlines, descriptions as well to make them more effective and relevant to the business. Another best practice in search optimizations is ad extensions, which we can add to the campaign, which would really improve the quality of the performance. And you can also add search audience targeting as well in these campaigns, which would help to target the right audience for our businesses. Bidding strategy can also be one of the steps, guys, which you can apply, wherein you can apply the correct bidding strategy, which will help to improve and grow your campaign's performance. And the other feature which you can make here use of here is the Google Ads experiments. Google Ads experiments helps you to make changes in the campaigns and then you can run them as an experiment to see what combinations really works. So what we are going to do right now is we'll go inside the account to see this, how we can apply these changes to a live campaign. So once we are logged inside our Google Ads account, guys, you can select the campaign in which you want to optimize it. Let's say we are working on the first campaign, which is volunteering. So the first thing which we are going to work on is keywords. With respect to keywords, what we can do here is we first look at the keywords performance by, let's say, conversions. So I'm going inside the ad group and now we can see all the keywords over here. Now you can see on the conversions column, we can sort this by conversions to know which are the best performing keywords in this campaign. So now as we can see that these are the keywords which are the best performing, like volunteer opportunities, online volunteer opportunities, volunteering for teens, and so on and so forth. What we can do with them is we can go ahead and put these high performing keywords inside the keyword planner to get more similar such keywords for our campaigns. So let's have a look at this, how we can do this, guys. So once we are inside our keyword planner tool, we can add these keywords one by one. Like for example, we can look at volunteer opportunities and we can put it in the campaign. We can also look at the other ones in this particular manner. You can choose the top performing keywords from the campaign and put them in the keyword planner tool to find similar kind of results from the tool. So the tool is going to give you much more other different types of keywords which people are searching for, like volunteering near me. Okay, so like this, you can now select the high performing other keywords which you think will work for your business, and you can select them and add them to your campaign. So here you can go ahead and now choose the campaign which we are working on, which is volunteers for charitable. And in this campaign, we can go for volunteer for charitable organization and we can add the keywords from here. So in this manner, this can be one of the steps which we can follow to add better keywords to our campaign.